Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to get a France visa in 2025. This video is going to be very helpful for people who are planning to travel to France in 2025 and do you want to know the current visa requirements. We will also cover all the new updates for the year 2025 and what all documents you need to get your visa on time. So make sure to watch this video till the end. For more such informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Before we begin, I would like to let you know that I have been living in Europe for the past 8 years now and in France for more than 4 years. And during all this time, I have renewed my long-term resident permit multiple times. So I am well aware of all the procedures and the documents required to get a French visa. So let's start with the most frequently asked question, which is, do you need a visa to visit France? The answer is, it depends. If you are coming from a visa-exempt country, then you don't need a visa to enter France. You can stay up to 90 days in total without a visa. But if you want to stay beyond 90 days or want to work or study in France, then you will need a long-term visa. Now coming to the second question, how long can you stay in France with a visa? The duration of your stay depends on the type of visa you apply for. For example, if you are applying for a tourist visa, then you can stay for a maximum of 90 days. But if you are applying for a long-term resident permit, like a student or a work permit, then you can stay for an extended period. In that case, you'll be given a temporary residence permit valid for 1 year or more. Next, what are the types of visas you can get? There are many types of visas you can get depending on the purpose of your visit. Some of the common ones are short-stay visas, like tourist visas, business visas, and long-stay visas, like student visas, work visas, and family reunification visas. Now, I will explain the step-by-step process on how to get a France visa. First step is to check the visa requirements and make sure you meet all the eligibility criteria. You can find all the information on the official website. Make sure to check the type of visa you need, the required documents, and the processing time. The second step is to gather all the required documents. The documents may vary depending on the type of visa you apply for, but some common documents are proof of accommodation, proof of financial means, travel insurance, and a completed visa application form. Third step is to pay the visa application fee. The fee amount varies depending on the type of visa you apply for, so make sure to check the official website for the latest fee structure. You will need to pay the fee online while submitting your visa application. Step 4 is to book a visa appointment at the consulate. Once you have paid the fee, you will need to book a visa appointment at the consulate. You can do this online or by calling the consulate directly. Make sure to book an appointment at least 4 weeks in advance, as the appointments can get fully booked quickly. Step 5 is to attend the visa interview at the consulate. On the day of your interview, make sure to bring all the required documents and be prepared to answer questions about your travel plans. The interview process is usually straightforward and shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. After your interview, the consulate will process your visa application and you will receive a decision in writing. If your visa is approved, you will need to pick up your passport with the visa from the consulate. If your visa is denied, you will be given a reason for the decision, and you can apply for an appeal if you feel that the decision was unfair. I hope this was helpful and answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will try my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day.